childhood education, preschool, intellectual development, education, game-based education.
Encourage early childhood education and make learning fun.
What's this?
mTiny Early Childhood Education Robot. Coding cards, themed maps, character masks, storybook. Let's start programming. Think. Tap to start coding. Go! mTiny does not require connection to any external devices.
Can mTiny foster imagination and self-expression?
Sure thing. Interactive map.
He patrols the town every day to keep it safe. mTiny spots the thief and catches him immediately. Can I play with my friends?
Of course. Role-playing. Fast and Furious. mTiny's design is based on the theory of multiple intelligences. mTiny allows kids to get creative and lays foundation for logical thinking skills. With mTiny, kids can also learn math, music, and art. mTiny, Early Childhood Education Robot.